Kids, it's my favorite time of year because Annie's here. She showed up on the first day of spring, and she is my psychic alligator. She does have cousins and relatives here. Jebediah is 8 feet. He's her uncle. But Annie is sort of my mascot of Tarot by Jennifer here on the Enchanted Magical Mystical Swamps of Socastee, South Carolina. And Annie always loves it when my querents come because they get to go on the magical tour. And we do have 20 rooms, and we have the haunted trailer, the voodoo shop, and everything. So Annie's here, and she wants to meet you and talk with you and share her psychic gifts with you. So I'm looking forward to all my querents coming this summer when you're visiting Myrtle Beach. Come and visit me on the mystical, magical swamps of Socastee. And come visit Poke Salad Annie and her friends. Thanks, Annie.